Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, along with other safety related videos and leadership training videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started. This week's Toolbox safety topic is called Partners in Safety, Your Co-workers. Now, when you stop to watch all the activity on a construction site, you see workers engaged in lots of different tasks. Some are moving materials and supplies, others operate cranes and swing loads overhead. Still others are hammering, digging, wiring, or supervising and directing work. Because all these activities take place in a relatively small area, one person's actions can affect the safety of many other people. In many ways, your coworker safety is linked to your safety. What your coworker is doing while working above can affect you if you are below. If a coworker puts a damaged or defective tool back in the game box one day, it affects you the next day. In addition, whatever hazardous chemicals you're handling or mishandling can have an effect on those working in the surround area. Even though we are all working on different tasks, everyone has the same goal: completing the job and doing it safely. Keep in mind that every day in the U.S., 1,300 construction workers go home injured or ill, and 3 don't go home at all. Safety in the construction industry is everyone's responsibility, and it's important that we look out for each other to reduce the number of accidents, near misses, injuries, and fatalities on the job. In addition to considering your own safety before you begin any task, get into the habit of thinking about the safety of those working around you. For instance, if you're grinding a piece of metal, you know you need to wear eye and face protection. But what about others who aren't protected from stray sparks? You wouldn't want a coworker to turn a corner and get sprayed in the face with flying sparks. Consider repositioning your work or posting visible signs to avoid accidents and injuries. Similarly, if you're a carpenter using a nail gun or a powder actuated tool, make sure you think about those who might be standing on the other side of the wall. It's possible as you fire the tool, the fastener could strike a coworker in the eye or cause a fatal puncture wound. Consider how your work might create dangers for others nearby, and then take steps to reduce or eliminate those hazards. Talk to your coworkers about hazard recognition. The person working next to you might point out a hazard that you have overlooked. Now, don't get offended. Be thankful that someone is looking out for you. Immediately report to your supervisor any coworker who is reckless or who is endangering the safety of others. Everyone wants to go home safe at the end of the day. As a safety reminder, if you're wearing PPE to do your job safely, those around you may need to wear the same PPE. Alert bystanders before they are exposed to any dangers. Alright guys, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, along with other safety related videos and leadership training videos. Until we see each other again, take care of yourself, as you're number one. Look out and keep an eye out on your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and I will see you in the field.